Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have such a massive thanks to give you all. I have finally reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube and I'm so happy. I know that for YouTube that is such a tiny amount, but for me to imagine 1,000 people actually subscribed to my channel and actually want to watch the content that I'm putting out, that's incredible to me and I'm so happy, and I just want to say thank you so much. Honestly means the world to me that many people are here to watch me. That's just incredible. I know that this channel is a bit all over the place. I know it's mainly dental nursing, but there is some slime videos, story time, just random crap just chucked in, and you guys still watch it, and I am so thankful and grateful to you all for joining me within this community. And yeah, so today's video is going to be my journey to 1,000 subscribers and how I did it. I don't really know how I did it, but I'm going to try my best to explain it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll just get straight on with it. Okay, so I started this channel back in May 2018. It's now December 2019 and I've just reached 1,000 subscribers. How I did that, I honestly don't really know. I just kind of started making videos, sort of started to find my feet when I put out my first dental nursing video. So the first couple of videos I did were just random ones. I think I did a slime testing video, I did a couple of story times, I did some videos with my friend like an accent challenge and trying weird foreign foods challenges. I've also done a makeup challenge with him. They were just random videos like that. And then I put out a video which was, I believe, the truth about being a dental nurse. That was my first dental nursing video and it just went really popular. Like thousands of people watched it and I gained loads of subscribers from it, and I was like, oh okay, this is interesting. So people want to watch these kind of videos, because my other videos, some of them had a couple of hundred, but some of them had like 15 views, and I just thought it's not going anywhere. Even though it had only been a few months, it just wasn't going anywhere, and I know I need to upload way more regularly than I already do, but I was struggling. So I put that video out and it went really popular and I got like a lot of subscribers. So I made another dental nursing video and that was really popular and that got a blockload of subscribers. And then I started to click, these are the videos people want to see. So I would say the best advice if you're starting out a YouTube channel is find a platform of specific videos that you can put out. And once you've reached a target audience, then you can start expanding the content ideas that you put out there. So I would love to do some testing videos, I would love to do some review videos, anything like that, but you've got to establish an audience first, and for me it's definitely the dental nursing videos. Once I started to gain more subscribers through the dental nursing videos, I was then coming up with ideas for dental nursing videos, and what really helped was you guys popping in the comments below what you wanted to see from me. I struggled to think, well, what can I do for this video? I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. And when people put down what they want to see or questions that they want answered, it really helps to make a video about that, because I know where I'm going with it. And I know a lot of YouTubers do this, but I personally don't have any notes anywhere. It's just the camera, me, and the rest of my bedroom, and I just wing it, completely wing it. I have no idea what I'm saying half the time. Sometimes I am reading stuff off my phone if it's questions from you guys, or I did a couple of dental nurse reacting to dental memes videos, which obviously I use my phone for, but other than that, it's just me talking at the camera. Somehow that's still popular. The best advice I can give to get 1,000 subscribers or 100 subscribers or 200 is to start making videos which have a specific theme to them, because you'll find that the target audience then, so for me personally, my target audience is dental nurses or dentists or anybody that's interested in the dental world. They are the ones that watch my videos. So definitely think of a content theme that you want to do, and then once you've reached a target audience, you can then start expanding your videos. And what you'll probably find is that people then watch your videos for you and not necessarily the content of them. At least that's what I really hope. People come here for me more than the content of my videos. So I have made a story time about when I dislocated my elbow, and that had like 295 views or something, which isn't a lot of views at all, but I think people watch it more for me rather than the story, if that makes sense, because they're already subscribed to my channel sort of thing. I'm kind of a bit lost for words because I don't know how else to really describe how I've done with this channel, but that's pretty much what I did. And then throughout the dental nursing videos, I just threw in random stuff. I did like a Halloween makeup video. I've done a couple of hauls, like a Bath and Body Works haul. I think I did a shopping haul. I've done like traveling hacks. So I've just thrown in other random videos throughout the dental nursing videos, and for some weird reason, when I don't upload for a while, I get a load of subscribers. Yeah, I feel like when I take a break from filming, even though I shouldn't, because I do want to upload regularly, I just get a load of subscribers, which I know isn't how it's supposed to work, but I'm incredibly grateful for that. And that makes me then want to make more videos because I see that people want to watch it. So I'm like, oh, I've got to get another one up because I haven't posted in a month. Speaking of though, I am going on holiday for 2.5 weeks, so I'm not going to be posting. I'm going to Florida, so I might try and do some Florida vlogs if that's something you guys are interested in. Anyway, I think that's pretty much the end of this video. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I just wanted to come on here and say how thankful and grateful I am for you guys. I'm so pleased to be here on YouTube. I love doing this. And if there's any video ideas you want to see, please pop them in the comment box down below, and I'm gonna try and do some Florida filming. I'd love to post a few vlogs for you guys. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below. Go and check out Poltergeist on Amazon Prime. If you don't know what that is, it's a film that I was in, and I was one of the main characters in it, and it's funny. It's just half an hour, so yeah, go check that out. Link is in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!